Hi, welcome to the Hard Granny Square tutorial. Before each row, I will have simple written instructions that you can screenshot for later. Let's begin with row 1, starting with a magic ring. I like to wrap the yarn twice because in my experience, it's more secure. Grab the working yarn with your hook and pull it under the 2 loops of the ring, then complete what is essentially a slip stitch. Now make 3 chain stitches. From here we're going to go ahead and make 10 double crochet stitches. Once all the stitches are done, the loops of the magic ring can be tightened. First, pull the tail to see which loop gets smaller. Then pull on the smaller loop to tighten the other one all the way. Once tight, pull on the tail again to tighten that first loop. And there you have it. From here, close the row by slip stitching into the 3rd chain stitch of the initial chain 3. Row 2 serves to make the shape of the heart. This row starts with making 8 triple crochet stitches into the 2nd stitch from row 1. Remember, with a triple crochet, you yarn over twice before inserting your hook into the stitch. Once you've made those 8 triple crochet stitches, you might need to scoot them over a bit to find the next stitch to work in. In this stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch, another double crochet. In the following stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet. It's clear now that 1/2 of the heart has been completed. Make 1 chain stitch for the point of the heart. From here we're going to mirror those stitches on the other side to make the other half of the heart. So start with a triple crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Then make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Finally, make 8 triple crochets in the following stitch. Once done, slip stitch into the start of the row. Then cut your yarn and finish off. Row 3 is the most complicated of them all and requires a color change. To start, slip stitch into the same stitch where you ended the previous row. Now make 5 chain stitches. Both loose ends will be worked in as you go. Hold one of the loose ends at the back of your work throughout completing this row. This entire row is worked in the back loop only. In the first 2 stitches, work 2 triple crochets together. Do this by leaving the first triple crochet incomplete and then completing both triple crochets together. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now we're going to make the first corner. Triple crochet 2, chain 1 and double crochet 2 all into one stitch. Make 1 double crochet, one half double crochet, two double crochets in the next 2 stitches, and then 1 triple crochet. Following this, we have the next corner. In this corner, make 2 triple crochets, chain 1, and then another 2 triple crochets. The next part is a little bit complex. Make 1 triple crochet, then make another triple crochet in that same stitch, but leave it incomplete. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now complete the double crochet and the previous triple crochet together. In the chain stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Now we're going to move on to the other side. Make 1 double crochet. Now, switch the tails to work in the other loose end. Fold it like this to keep it running along the edge perfectly. In the next stitch, triple crochet 2 stitches together. Make 1 incomplete triple crochet, then another one and complete them together. From this point forward, the stitches mirror those of the other side. Now we're moving on to the corner. Make 2 triple crochets, chain 1, and then another 2 triple crochets. In the next 5 stitches, make 1 triple crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and another double crochet. Then make the last corner to match the first. 2 double crochets, 1 chain stitch, and 2 triple crochets. Next, make 1 double crochet, and then in the next 2 stitches, make 2 triple crochet stitches together. Slip stitch into the 5th chain stitch on your chain 5 to complete the row. So row 4 is extremely easy in comparison to row 3. Start by chaining 3 and then double crochet in every stitch along all of the sides. At the corners, triple crochet 2, chain 1, and then triple crochet another 2. You might have to scoot your stitches over a bit to make the first double crochet of the next side. You should have 9 double crochet stitches along each side, and if you add the 2 triple crochet stitches at each corner, you will have a total of 13 stitches. Once you've completed the row, slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch of your initial chain 3. So I forgot to do this earlier, but after row 3, make sure you tighten those loose ends up nicely so everything is neat and tidy. So row 5 is technically optional, but I prefer to add an extra row of half double crochets to really square out the shape. For row 5, chain 2 stitches. Then work in half double crochets all along the sides. In the corners of this row, make 2 half double crochets, chain 1, and another 2 half double crochets. Make sure not to miss that first stitch after the corner. At the end of the row, slip stitch to complete the row, then cut the yarn and end. Alternatively, you could make row 5 with single crochet stitches instead. But at the corner, only make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and make sure to mark the chain stitch so that you can actually find it again later. If you felt like it, you could also do another row of double crochets for row 5 instead. But this time at the corners, make sure to do 2 double crochets, 1 chain stitch, and then another 2 double crochets compared to the triple crochets of the previous row. And there you have it. That's your completed heart granny square. You can go ahead and make your squares in any color combo that you prefer. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!